some aquafina. Now, when we get that microclustering, there's all kinds of other benefits, and weight loss is one of the benefits of drinking alkaline water. Now, I've just used some sesame oil in this demonstration, and I'll hold it up so that you can see. See how the one on your left is kind of cloudy, and the one on your right is clear? Well, we all know that when we put oil in water, that the oil rises to the surface. Well, that's not the case with ionized water. What happens is those little negative ions are kind of like little Pac-Man, and they're like little gobbly munchers, and they attach themselves to anything they can to become H2O again. And in this instance, with the oil, they've attacked it. And what that does is that creates emulsification of any deposits of acidic waste in our body, and so we just flush it away. So we have here, we have the alkaline aspect, we have here with the tea bags, the hydration aspect, and here we have the detoxification. And there's one more, and this is the scientific evidence of why alkaline water is so incredible. What I have here is an ORP meter. It stands for Oxidation Reduction Potential. Oxidation Reduction Potential means that the body can actually fight against a free radical attack. And many of you probably know about antioxidants. Well, anything with a positive charge is going to be oxidizing your body. Anything with a negative charge is going to be acting like an antioxidant. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to ask if you could come up again, April, and read this for me. We're going to do some measurements in some of these waters. So I'll hold the ORP meter, and first of all we'll try it in some Dasani. And if you can just tell me what the readout says on the bottled water.
I've got 319.20. It's going higher.
So that's a positive or a negative in front
That's
of
a
it?
positive.
Positive 320.
20.
Wow. And remember, anything with a positive charge is not good for you. So it's rusting your body. How about aquafina?
Oh, it's staying about the same.
Let's
329.
try some wonderful sports drink that everybody thinks is so good for them, and it really isn't.
Oh, like 443, 45, 45, 46. It could be 46.
Pretty bad, huh? I think we should try just right, just for fun. Okay.
400 and 402, 3, 4, 405.
Wow. All right. Let's try some alkaline water. Let's see the difference.
Got minus 797, 817, 825, 836.
Wow. Now, just think about. Thank you, matey. Thanks for that. What do you want? Do you want to be rusted, or do you want to drink something that will actually de-rust you? I know what I want, and that demonstration really shows you the benefits. This water is electrically charged, so this machine is actually way more than just a water drinking machine. And I'd like to quickly cover some of those aspects, but first I'm going to show you why everybody should own one of these machines. And just, by the way, 1 in 5 homes in Korea and Japan does own a water ionizer. Here in America it's 1 in 15,000, so I think we've got a big job. What I have here is some tap water, and these are chlorine drops. And as you can see, the tap water is highly chlorinated here in South California. And what I have here is some chopped up onion. They're really strong, that's why I've got the lid on them. So hang in there, guys. Okay, what I'm doing is I'm dropping the onions into the chlorine, and now we're just going to let it sit there. Actually, I might put a cover on it, it's so strong. And we'll just wait, and we'll see what happens with that demonstration at the end, okay? Because you're going to see that the yellow is going to go away because the onions are going to absorb all the chlorine, which is what you would be doing if you were using chlorinated tap water for your cooking. I, on the other hand, use alkaline water when I'm cooking. And here I have a demonstration of some carrots. And at the end of the class, you guys are all going to get to try some. Now you can do this with any of your fruits and vegetables. What I do is I bring all my fruits and veggies home and I soak them in the alkaline water, and what it does, those negative ions that I showed you, actually pull out anything with a positive charge. So for example, herbicides and pesticides, or any contamination that is actually on your fruits and veggies will be removed by drinking the alkaline, by soaking the veggies in the alkaline water. So it's not just for drinking. We can use that on all our fruits and veggies, and what you'll find is they taste nicer, simply because they're also having minerals added into them. So they tend to taste sweeter, they're crunchier, they're delicious. I use the alkaline water for all my cooking, any kind of cooking. Only use alkaline water, don't use anything else. Now the other aspect of the alkaline water is you can use it topically on your body to pull out aches and pains, which is another whole aspect again. What you can do is you can take some alkaline water from the machine, soak a washcloth, and if you have arthritis or aches and pains from sport, soak your feet, soak your hands, use washcloths and pull it all out of your body. That's the alkaline. Now there's 9 settings on this machine. We have 4 that produce alkaline, different levels, and we have 4 that produce acidic, and 1 that produces purified water for people who take medications. Now, the levels is something that we can go in at a later point, but basically in alkalinity it goes from an 8 to about an 11 in pH, and with the acidic anywhere from about a 6 down to a 2.5, depending on what level you choose. Now I use my acidic water around my home. This, for example, when I get out of the shower, I spray myself all the way from top to toe, and what it does is it helps balance the pH of my skin. And what I actually use it for, I had brown spots from being a sun bunny, and I started using it when I first bought my machine, and within a few weeks I started to see a change on my brown spots, so I got really excited, and then I got very, very diligent. And now I have no brown spots, so consequently, that's why I keep doing it. When I'm on a plane, I carry my little spray bottle because they don't stop you carrying this size on the plane. And when I get into my seat, I spray it around me, just in case anybody has bugs and germs. Spray it on your face to keep yourself hydrated while you're traveling. You can add essential oils and use it as a room spray. You can put it in a glass bottle, add some essential oils and use it as a mouthwash and a gargle. Use it in your water pick. Use it on colds and cuts and all kinds of things. It just goes on and on and on what you can use this water for. It's just incredible. Now you see how the water's got lighter? It's almost clear again now. Do you really want to be drinking tap water or cooking with tap water when you know that you're going to be absorbing all those chlorines and chloramines that we have here in South California, which are known carcinogenics? I don't think so. This machine is the most incredible thing, that it totally changes people's lives. I have some books here that cover the benefits of being alkaline. We have Dr. Batman, he talks about the fact you're not sick, you're just thirsty, or your body's many cries for water. There are so many books out there, there's so much information on the benefits of the body being alkaline, ionized and oxygenated. And I really hope that this water class has just given you an idea of just some of those benefits. Thank you so much for coming. And if you would like to know more about alkaline ionized water and you're watching this DVD, contact the person that gave you this. And I wish you well, I wish you hydration, and thank you very much for your time.